CA Foundation BM and LR and Stats 1.5 days revision strategy. After your law and BCR paper, you have 45 hours before paper 3 business mathematics and logical reasoning and statistics. Out of this, 4 hours are for traveling, 2 hours each on 26 July and 28 July, and 12 hours are for sleep in 2 nights. Leaving 4 hours for other activities, you must study for at least 25 hours. Your schedule from 26 July 7 pm to 28 July 12 pm will be as follows. On 26 July from 7 pm to 9 pm, revise the concepts of ratio and proportion, indices, logarithms and equations and matrices from short notes and important MCQs. From 9 pm to 9:30 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 9:30 pm to 11 pm, go through linear inequalities and sets, functions and relations from short notes and mark the MCQs. From 11 pm to 12 am, revise sequences and series, AP and GP and index numbers and time series from short notes and MCQs. From 12 am to 6 am, sleep well. On 27 July, wake up at 6 am and revise basic concepts of permutations and combinations and time value of money from short notes and some important MCQs till 9 am. At 9 am, get ready and have breakfast. From 9:30 am to 12:30 pm, cover basic concepts of differential and integral calculus and probability from short notes and marked important questions. From 12:30 pm to 1:30 pm, have lunch and take some rest. From 1:30 pm to 5 pm, quickly revise statistical description of data, measures of central tendency and dispersion and correlation and regression, and do its important questions. From 5 pm to 5:30 pm, drink milk and take a small walk. From 5:30 pm to 6:30 pm, cover theoretical distributions from short notes and important questions. From 6:30 pm to 8:30 pm, practice as many questions as possible of all the units of logical reasoning and revise their important tricks. From 8:30 pm to 9 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 9 pm to 10 pm, practice some more questions of logical reasoning. From 10 pm to 11:30 pm, go through the latest RTP. From 11:30 pm to 1 am, go through the latest MTP. From 1 am to 7 am, sleep well. On 28 July, wake up at 7 am and get ready and have breakfast till 8 am. From 8 am to 12 pm, revise all the concepts quickly from short notes or summary at the end of each chapter. You never fail until you stop trying. All the best. Watch 1.5 days revision strategy for CA Foundation Paper 4 Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge on 28 July 2021.